This camper van renovation may look like a high-end RV, but not long ago, it was just an ordinary van with an outdated and uncomfortable interior. What you're about to see is a complete camper van renovation before and after, showing how a simple vehicle can be transformed into a beautiful and functional home on wheels. Stay with this video until the end, because this camper van renovation and RV van renovation projects have become extremely popular as more people search for freedom, flexible travel, and affordable alternatives to expensive motorhomes. Instead of buying luxury RVs, many are choosing DIY camper van renovation projects to create personalized spaces that fit their lifestyle. This kind of van life renovation is not just about travel, it's about independence and simplicity. At the beginning, this van looked like many others, dark, empty, and impractical. There was no proper layout, no insulation, and no interior design. It was far from the cozy spaces often seen in camper van makeover before-after videos. The challenge was to turn this basic shell into a modern camper van interior that feels comfortable, open, and inviting. Planning played a major role in this small camper van conversion. Modern van life interior design focuses on smart layouts, multi-purpose features, and clean finishes. This renovation followed a minimalist camper van interior approach, using light colors and simple textures to make the space feel larger while keeping everything practical. One of the most important upgrades in any van life renovation is insulation. Proper insulation improves temperature control, reduces noise, and increases comfort throughout the year. After insulation, the flooring, walls, and interior panels were installed, instantly transforming the van into a warm and livable space. This step is essential in every camper van interior makeover. Storage was carefully designed to avoid clutter, which is crucial in any tiny camper van makeover. Hidden storage areas help maintain a clean look and support the modern van life aesthetic that many people look for in van renovation videos. Smart organization is what makes small vans feel spacious and functional. Many people believe that a camper van renovation requires a huge budget, but this project proves otherwise. With smart planning and creativity, a budget camper van renovation can still look impressive. By focusing on essentials and avoiding unnecessary luxury, this build remains an affordable van life build that even beginners can learn from. The final result is a truly unreal camper van transformation. What was once a lifeless van is now a cozy camper van interior designed for comfort and freedom. This kind of home on wheels transformation is why van life transformation videos continue to inspire millions of viewers. If you're thinking about starting your own beginner camper van renovation, remember that perfection isn't required. With a clear plan and patience, even a simple build can turn into something amazing. Projects like this show that an easy camper van makeover is possible for anyone willing to start. So now let me ask you, would you live in a camper van like this? If you enjoyed this satisfying camper van renovation and love before and after camper van renovation videos, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more camper van renovation, RV renovation, and van life transformation content.